Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Microsoft Compatibility Telemetry is experiencing high CPU usage on Windows. So if you're noticing that this process is running with very high memory usage in the background, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Task Scheduler. Best match should come back with Task Scheduler. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the Task Scheduler library on the left panel here by double-clicking on it. And then do the same thing for the Microsoft folder. Should be a Windows folder in here. Double-click on it. And now you want to locate the Application Experience folder. Just left-click on that one time. Now on the right side, there should be something that says Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser. And you want to right click on this and select Disable. And then once that's done, just go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process to follow. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.